Hey guys, and welcome back for another simple grooming video. First up, I just want to say I completely understand that body grooming, particularly downstairs, is quite a personal topic and everyone has their own preferences. However, for me personally, I like simple and straightforward with pretty much everything except my hair, so the less complicated things can be, the better, I say. Now with that said, I'm going to be talking about all the tools that I use for trimming my junk downstairs, and then later on I will be showing you exactly how I manscape my legs, chest, balls, and butt crack. Ooh, naughty. Today's video is also sponsored by none other than Manscaped.com. For those of you who don't know, Manscaped are the creators of the world's first all-in-one grooming kit that makes trimming your hedges really safe and really easy. I'm also honored to say that I'm actually one of the first people to try their brand new Lawnmower 3.0 water-resistant body trimmer, which is lit, I have to say. Didn't even cut me. Speaking of body trimmers, in the world of grooming for me, a body trimmer is pretty much the only tool that I use for below the neck grooming. I'm talking legs, crotch, butt, crack, balls, belly, chest, everything. Why do I do that? Well, number one, there's no irritation or ingrown hairs when the hairs grow back, which is different to a razor. Two, it's quick and frickin' easy compared to shaving with a razor and shaving foam in the shower and all that drama that comes with it. And three, it's safer, and I've said it once and I'll say it again, cutting your balls is not fun. And this is exactly why I chose to partner with Manscaped today. They get it. This body trimmer is literally like the elder wand of the grooming world. You cannot beat it, and I am Dumbledore, all right? It's got advanced skin-safe technology, which I showed you just before, which means the chances of you cutting yourself are extremely less, even compared with a regular body trimmer that's not as safe. It's also cordless and really easy to use. It's got a 90-minute battery life, so even if you're as bushy as the Amazon forest, you can still get the job done right. And it's even got this cool little LED light that helps you with precision trimming when you're going down there and cleaning up the boys. So, see you later, Remington trimmer. Side note, if you buy the Lawnmower 3.0 in the Perfect Package 3.0 Essential Kit, you'll get heaps of extra bonuses, including a humorous grooming mat that collects all your pubes while you're shaving them off. You also get some anti-chafing briefs, you get some ball toner, and you also get some ball deodorant to keep your boys smelling fresh all day long. Literally, you're set. If you want to try Manscaped for yourself, I completely endorse and recommend this. You can get 20% off your first purchase using this code, and you'll also get free shipping and a free gift when you buy, okay? Trust me, your balls will thank you. The link will be in the description box and in the pinned comment of this video, okay? And now without further ado, I think it's time to get into how I actually shave all my bits. So who's ready to see some balls and butt crack? So where do we start? Let's start from the bottom and move up. Or why don't we go from the bottom and then the top, and then in the middle, we'll show you all the other stuff, okay? When it comes to my legs, I actually will go through periods where I'm like, nah, we can have mammoth legs now. And then sometimes I'll be like, nah, I wanna be a little bit more aerodynamic. It's all based on like how I'm feeling at the time. When I'm doing my legs, I will just start at the toes, shave them all off, go onto the feet, then around the ankles, and then after I've done all of those little tiny areas, that's when I just go full up the leg and shave away. I don't think most guys are into it, but once you do it and see the difference, like that athletic look, it's kind of addictive. That's how I kind of got onto it. Now moving on to the chest. So the chest is really simple. I have quite a hairy chest. I just start at the top. I go from my neck down to about here. And then once I've shaven that part, I'll then turn the razor around, or the trimmer, sorry, and I'll go up the chest all the way along and dart around my nipples when I get up to them. And then I'll do one last pass over the middle in a sideways motion to get rid of all the chest hair that's in the middle. For my belly, I don't actually go from, I don't go from the bottom up, I go from side to side, so I literally half myself down the middle, and then I get my beard trimmer, I'll go zhoot one side, zhoot the other side, until it's all bare. I find that the way the hair grows, you always want to go against the way the hair's growing with the beard trimmer. It always does like the better job, if you like. Now, if we're gonna talk more sensitive areas, which this is totally safe to use on, by the way, I flipped out. I was like, oh my God, I don't know how close I can get this thing to my balls, but I was actually very surprised, and it works. Their skin-safe technology is really good. Let's review. So this here is Jeff. Can you see that? Jeff. So let's put that down there. Can we get a close-up, please? Whoa, awesome. Thanks, Jeff. I also think we need a bit of hair on this if we're gonna do some sort of demo. Can we get some hair, please? Great! When it comes to shaving a butthole, now, because we can't do porn on YouTube, this is the best we got. Jeff is our ticket, okay? When we go in and we're shaving a butthole, you don't want to come in and go, it's rounded, right? So when you put something flat on something round, see, it's only going to get the sides. It's not actually going to get in the crevice. So the way that we actually get in the crevice and do it without cutting ourselves is A, we get something that's safe, and then we're going to go from the sides. So all you have to do is come in, go, very the same as what I do with my belly. And then on the other side, you do the same thing as well. And then, you know, brush it away. It's as simple as that. Okay, now we've discussed buttholes, why don't we discuss gooches? What's a gooch? Okay, a gooch is the bit that is in between your ball sack and your bum hole, okay? And this thing here does get hairy too. Can we get some hair on that, please? There we go, that's better. Now when we're shaving the gooch, it's more of a flat surface. It's not really creviced, if you know what I mean. So because it is part of your ball bag though, you do need to like pull everything forward to tighten it up. And then you go in with your beard safe trimmer and you just go to the edge of the ball sack right there where we can see here on Jeff. And that's where you'll kind of stop, okay? Now what about our balls? With this thing, you can get in really nice and close. Thank you for that. If I wasn't using the Manscaped trimmer, this is kind of what would happen. Are we gonna do a foreskin on this one, Kim?
Yeah, I'm a Jewish.
A Jewish one? They won't have a foreskin.
That's right, no, non-Jewish. Let's do that again.
Non-Jewish, okay. There we go. Now in this instance, without the Manscaped trimmer, you'd come in about 1 centimeter away. And probably be left with just a very thin layer of hair, okay? Now, previously, that was good enough for me. After having Manscaped in the picture, the story is now very different. So here's what it's like now. All you need to do is stretch the ball sack down like this. Okay, our dick got a bit bigger. And this time we're gonna pinch the ball sack down. That's why it looks like a triangle there. And then we're gonna get our Manscaped trimmer and we can literally go in, because we know it's skin safe technology, and off comes all the hair. And that's pretty much all there is to it. When it comes to shaving the base of the tree, you just treat that exactly the same as your legs. You know, hold your junk out of the way and go upways against the grain. If you want to use the guard on the trimmer to leave some behind, that's cool. I kind of go through phases where I like let it all grow and I become really bushy, and then I go, all right, it's time to go back to 15. And then I'll shave everything off like I did the other day. And then I'll just let it all grow out again until I'm sick of it and I'm ready to shave it off. Not only is that, you know, good, I get to experience different looks and different feels, but it's also keeping my grooming to a minimum so I don't have to do it all the bloody time, you know what I mean? But other than that, I really hope you guys found some value from this video. If you are somebody who likes it simple, seriously, get onto beard trimming. This technology just fucking weirds me out, that I can touch the blade while it's on and nada. Thanks, Manscaped. If you guys have any alternate ways that you like to groom, please leave a comment in the comment section. I always love to read that. And yeah, I'll see you next week for another video. Till then, catch you later. Goodbye.